Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Boards Academy. Today we will going to see how you can do a keyword research with a Google Keyword Planner. So for that you have to sign in into your Google Ads account from where you will do the keyword research. So let's log into my Google AdWords account. So you have to click on Google Ads and here we will find the link. Here we find the link. Get more customer with easy online advertising. Click on that link and sign in into your account. I already created a Google Ads account, so it will redirect to my account. So first you have to create an Google Ads account if you do not have previously. So here you can see the Google Ads account. So from here you have to go to tools and settings. You have to go to tools and settings and click on keyword planner. Here it is, the keyword planner dashboard. So here you can see that now you have to go to a discover new keywords, and there is two options. One is start with the keywords and another is the start with a website. So first let's see how you can do with the start with the keyword thing. So first you have to identify your primary keyword and put into the box. So my if I search with my primary keyword like digital marketing agency, suppose, or a digital marketing course, I can say. If I search in India, so there is a location in India, so just have to click on get result. So this, there you can see the keyword is already provided. You will see the in the left side you will see all the keywords, and after that the average monthly searches you can see there is 100k to 1 million searches in this keyword. Social media marketing course, Google digital marketing certifications, all are the keywords you can see here. Digital marketing course online, digital marketing certificate, online marketing course. So you will find all the keyword here. You can see the average monthly searches. Also you can see the competition as well. So in this way you can do a keyword research from here. And there is another thing here you can find. So let's go to here, and if you want to know the which keyword your competitor would rank, so you have to go to your competitor website and research that in what keywords they are ranking for. So let's go to your competitor. Suppose I want to know that in which keywords are 7boards are ranking. So I have to go to 7boards.com and let's copy the URL from here and paste it here, and I will see the keywords of 7boards. So let's wait, and here you will find all the things like there is the like that the best digital marketing company in Kolkata or digital marketing companies in Kolkata. In these keywords, the 7boards are ranking high. So best digital marketing in Kolkata, Kolkata digital marketing company, marketing agency. You will find that lot of keywords of your competitor like this. So in this way, uh, you, you can do a keyword research with a Google Keyword Planner. So thank you, and please like and subscribe for more similar update, and please hit the notification bell. Thank you.